Welcome to the D.A.M Salsa cooking channel. Today we'll be making damn good bean dip.
Bean dip is, a lot of people want a smooth dip. This is the way to do it. You put some oil in a pan, get it hot. For the bean dip, add a little salt, some pepper, and some spicy Maria. Add to taste. Okay, when the grease gets hot, this is where it gets smooth. When you add the hot grease, it gives it a smooth texture, so your chips don't just break in the dip. And add a little bit of cheese and onion, if you like onion. Put it in the bowl, call it good. Smooth bean dip.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't forget your damn salsa.